sugar, spice, and everything nice.
Hi guys, so today we're doing the takis and hot fries challenge.
We're gonna be putting it in a bowl. Let me see if you can handle
They
it.
gonna see all of that.
Yeah,
anyway.
we're gonna put it in a bowl, and we're gonna see if she can handle this. I think I can handle this.
She can handle it. I can't.
Boy, I ate hot Cheetos.
That ain't good. It didn't make it.
That was
it
like years ago. That was years ago. Literally, I haven't ate this in a while because I know it's bad for us.
And it'll cause you to have But I can taste whatever.
Taste it. Let's start. Ew, when I said let's start, my mucus, it like, she ready. First bag.
They even smell hot.
So good.
Mine.
God, I haven't had Cheetos. I haven't had hot chips in a while. Do you not understand?
I'm gonna devour it, huh? I ain't gonna mess over so you can have
First,
some.
don't say that. Actually, I was gonna get that. First bag.
Let me stop.
You gonna like them. You used to eat these back in the day.
No, I didn't.
Hot fries. You used to
What?
eat the other ones, the Chester ones, though, right? The other Chesters. They have two different type of hot fries. But you like these? This hot fries better or the other one? Second.
They're not bad.
Okay, let's eat. Hold up your bowl. I got a bigger one.
I bit my damn lip.
Oh. Right here.
You have to crunch with them like that, though?
Eat the takis.
These are ones, huh? They get you right there, huh?
I haven't had these in a while. That I used to eat a lot.
It's a big one. You got a big one like that in there?
I already ate one of them.
Which ones you ate and
Chester.
it got you up right up in there? These? Or
None of
both
them really got me like that. Oh, if I was like laughing, it was a takis. Yeah.
You finna sit here and eat off all this?
You know, see how much I can handle. The Chesters really got me now because I haven't had it in a while, like a year or two. Two together.
These hot. These hot. These are disgusting. I don't like takis at all.
This lady on YouTube, they got a gourmet. No, they got a gourmet thing, and she made takis from scratch. They like them.
How she made them?
Tortilla.
Fuego? It tastes like lime. Oh, that's why I was gonna say it tastes like lime.
See? It's
not bad.
hot chili pepper and lime tortilla chip. They got different types too.
I don't like these though.
It's like the Chester's better.
I like these. I like these better.
Chester's.
Is that what it is?
Yes, the other one. I don't know if these are the. Look how much they are now.
How much?
Why they went up on a 109 for a half-filled bag? I don't know why they went up. Why do you think they went up on the taxes and stuff?
Because y'all was loving them. Stop buying them for a while.
Then back in your day, it was like 50 cents, right? Or 25 chips. Now ours are, well,
Let me back in my day.
I'm just saying back in your day.
Not long ago. Back in my day.
When she was younger.
Not long ago.
When she was younger, her chips, like, in her time.
Not long ago.
In her dinosaur time, they chips were practically free. Well, and then as I'm getting older, now they're $1.50. Like, who does that? 2 bags for $1.50. Okay, drink your water.
And my eyes are watering.
It went to the wrong pipe, right?
Oh no.
Drink your water.
I gotta get my breath first.
I love this part of the chips too.
Yeah, is my eyes watering? My
It's
nose.
always watering. Oh yeah, your nose is running.
Yeah,
Oh, you
my
haven't
nose-
had this in a while.
I know- yeah,
Well, you
go-
never had this.
Go get me a paper towel.
I'll be back. Different size bowl.
What's up, mine?
Stop hyping me up. Anyways, I've had this in a while.
I don't like takis. These okay, but my mouth is on fire.
It tastes.
You love them, huh?
I like them.
You love them.
Eat two.
Shit, I better handle one. Why would I want two? This is crazy on me. I don't like these. These right here?
4 on 1. Challenge. 4 on 1.
One.
Do 4 at a time. You ready? Alright. Can you just go up?
And people make chicken with that. I can't. You won.
I won. Mine's a big bowl, so you can't tell, but I won.
I'm gonna keep going for a while. I'm only eating these. I ain't eating the other ones. The tacky ones, I don't like them.
You don't like the taste?
I eat these, but not the other ones.
That's a tacky.
Oh, yeah.
Put it in your mouth.
I'm glad you told me.
Put both of them together with it. It's
They
good.
try to sneak it.
It's good.
No, you crazy. It's my last one. I ain't eating nothing else. That's good.
She got a liking to them.
I don't like them. No.
The other hot fries, we used to always
You
put
enjoying them too.
having hot chips in the wall. What you expect? This is like a playground for a kid, for their mouth.
So you gonna eat them tonight? I don't think so. You gonna say I'm not hungry. I'm done. This is all I eat. I can't handle it. I can't. My nose running. Throat.
Yeah, opens up your nose. You rather this than that green stuff that's in sushi though.
I sure don't. Now one of them. First time tie me down to eat them. Eat that. Put a knife in my head, a gun in my head, something.
You wouldn't eat that again?
Nope. You can put a lid on these and let it flavor for whoever. It's a wrap. Keep going for yours. See?
I wasn't joking. I was trying to get it up.
Oh, well then say something.
You know how you
No,
open
I
your
don't
throat
know.
and try to bring it up?
I don't know.
Okay.
You gonna be full tonight?
No.
What you is? You was like, I don't want to eat them all. Just put my food up for tomorrow.
There's more hot Cheetos than Takis. Hot fries and Takis.
Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And share. Stay tuned for our next video. Peace.